Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the internal speaker, unlatch the side cover and slide it off the system. Identify the speaker and disconnect the cable. Unlatch and remove the speaker from the system. To reinstall the speaker, place it back in the system. Relatch and plug in the cable. Slide the side cover back on the system and latch it into place. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.